everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to fashion enthusiast. Today we have something really excited to review the pure heavy Dolla silk multi sequence border zari sari. Prepare to be dazzled by its beauty and elegance. Let's divine right in as we open the package. When we can already see the magnificent color and intricate design and adorn this sari made from pure heavy Dolla silk. Its exude luxury and sophistication. The multi-sequence border with the zari work add a touch of opulence. This sari, each thread carefully woven to create a stunning pattern that show to pattern, and the soft smooth texture of the fabric is simply divine. With every touch you will experience the feeling of pure luxury against your skin. Whether it's grand wedding or a special occasion, this saree's perfect choice. Is vibrant color and stunning design will make you the center of attention, stealing the limelight wherever you go. The best part, it's a heavy georgette silk multi-sequence border zari work can be your for just 2500 rupees. True steal for such a high quality. And so what are you waiting for? Embrace elegance, beauty and timeless style by adding this sari to your collection. It's a range gem that's worth every penny. We hope you enjoy this video. And pure heavy Dolla silk multi sequence bordered zari work saris return for more exciting fashion content on our channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss updates. Thank you for watching. If you purchase this sari, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.